So thank you very much. Can you tell us your name and your position, your studies, please?
Yes, my name is Emil Larsson, and I'm studying Industrial Design Engineering, my 4th year at Luleå University of Technology, with a master's in Product Design.
Do you consider that the infinite learning change that you have done this morning is interesting, and why?
Yeah, I thought it was really interesting to be a part of the Infinite Learning Chain and doing the workshop with testing different Arduino stuff. In my education, I rarely get the opportunity to try that field of technology, so that was a really uplift for me and definitely inspired me to do more stuff.
What's the difference between the infinite learning change and a classical classroom lecture?
So, to my understanding, I think one of the most important thing is that you have a difference between, in the infinite learning chain, you become a part of the chain. So you're learning yourself, and then the purpose is that you use your knowledge that you gained to learn to other people, and then just evolve the chain. Yeah, infinite. So that's really nice.
Yeah? And finally, you will be interested to be part in the future of this chain, inviting other students, other colleagues to be part of it?
Yeah, definitely. I feel there's a real value in being part of this type of technology and definitely like research fields. So I'll definitely recommend it to other people and invite other people to the field.